Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Born to Win. If you are new here in my channel, then subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about animals around us. Animals are living things. They need air, water, and food to live. Many kinds of animals live on Earth. The blue whale is the biggest animal living on the earth. Some animals live in water. Many kinds of animals live on land. Elephant is the biggest animal living on the land. Giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. Lion is the king of the jungle.